Do you want to fix the original sound removed error on your TikTok videos? You can easily replace the muted audio with a brand new track and keep your video live on your profile without losing any views. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To fix the original sound removed error on your TikTok video. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your feed. Now on your profile, locate and select the video that has been muted and displays the sound warning. Tap directly on the red sound removed banner or the notice at the bottom of your video screen. Once click, it opens TikTok's official music library containing thousands of copyright-cleared tracks. Browse or search for a new sound, select it, and use the trim tool if you need to align the audio properly with your video. Once you are happy with the new sound, tap Done to apply the changes to your post. Now, your TikTok video will play smoothly with the new audio track active for all your viewers.